Sunlight energy speeds up the molecular motion of water. As the water molecules receive more energy, they become less crowded and enter an excited state. Evaporation. This increase of energy levels causes water molecules to move at increased speed, which will break hydrogen bonds and transform it from a liquid to a gas. Water evaporates in all three chambers of the eco-column: the pool of water in the bottom chamber, decomposing material in the middle chamber, and the soil from the top chamber. Respiration. As a product of cellular respiration, living organisms produce water vapor. All of the living organisms of the eco-column go through this, including the worm, Alodia, fruit flies, and betta fish, and the flower. Decomposition. There is water in the tissues of living organisms, and as these tissues decompose, the water is released. In the eco-column, bacteria and fungi decompose the leaves and food, which results in water vapor being released into the chamber. Transpiration. During transpiration, liquid water from the soil enters the plant through its roots and exits the plant's through stomata in the form of water vapor. As the water leaves the stomata of the plant, the hydrogen bonds break, causing it to turning into a gas. Condensation. As water vapor in the atmosphere loses energy, the molecules will slow down. With this loss of energy and movement, hydrogen bonds will form between the hydrogen atom of one water molecule and the oxygen atom of another molecule, which results in the liquid water. Condensation could be observed as water droplets on the inside of the soda bottles in the eco-column. Precipitation. As water vapor in the atmosphere loses energy, the water molecules will slow down and condense by forming hydrogen bonds. The condensed liquid water in the atmosphere is forced down by gravity to the surface. This mechanism is observable through the droplets of water on the side of the bottle falling down to the surface. Percolation and surface runoff. Precipitation can be pulled down by gravity to either bodies of water on the surface or in the soil. The water that enters the soil is percolated, which means it's filtered and cleaned of any pollutants. In the eco-column, this provides healthy liquid water for the organisms. Surface runoff can occur when water flows downhill, pulled by gravity, and into a body of water, including lakes, rivers, or the oceans. Surface runoff occurs in the middle chamber under the decomposing material, which flows into the body of water in the bottom chamber. This is the water cycle.